guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this full glam fall makeup look with some gold glitter. I love gold glitter looks and I think they're so bomb in the fall season. So I wanted to just look for you guys. I think this look came out really fire, so give me a thumbs up, you know. Helps your girl out, okay? And definitely subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. If you want to see how to get this look, and then just keep on watching, okay? Hey guys, so I'm going to use my MAC concealer to prime my eyelids today just because it's literally right in front of me and I don't really feel like reaching for anything else. So I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. This is literally a piece of an eyelash on my brush. So I wanted to use the Jackie Aina and Anastasia palette for my crease area. So we're going to start out with Edges, which is this shade right here. And then I'm gonna go in with Credit after. My inspo for this look is like fall for sure, but also I've been watching The Real Housewives of Atlanta and I'm just obsessed with the makeup. Like the glam is just so bomb, you guys. Like I love watching Housewives just because of like the makeup. Like I literally just stare at their makeup the whole time. So I've just, you know, I was inspired by their makeup, so that's kind of my inspo for this fall look. I'm going to take some of Ginger, which is this shade right here, and then I'm going to just blend this in with the other shade. I really do not follow Real Housewives of anything or like Basketball Wives or anything like that. Like I don't really keep up with it. So like once in a while I will watch a couple episodes here and there, but I don't really follow with the storyline like that closely. So I remember watching it like years ago, and then all of a sudden I came back to watch it and Portia was like pregnant and I was like, what? Like how did this happen? So I'm going to take some of Credit, which is this shade right here. I'm going to put that one right here and then we're going to blend it. And just blend the two together. I'm going to add some more to make it a little bit deeper and just pat it in, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take a big brush like this one and I'm going to just blend this out some more without taking any extra eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend it out so it diffuses and like just blends better. This is one of those looks that looks like kind of crazy at first, but then it comes together, okay? Just bear with me. I hate doing these looks because it's always so scary because you're like, you trust the process, but then a little scary, you know. All right, I'm taking some more of Credit on this smaller brush to just make it a little bit darker. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with a champagne-y color. Okay, so I'm gonna take Doll Lids, which is this shade right here. It has like, you know, golden-ish to it. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. I'm gonna use this spray to help it stick better. I'm gonna just put this. I'm taking some of the brown shade and blending out the top a little bit so it's not like a sharp line. With the Housewives, it's all about that smoke, like that beautiful smoky eye. Alright, so I want to add some glitter because I felt like a lot of the girls had glitter, especially at the reunions. Like they always have glitter on their eyelids. Whenever I use glitter, I like using this pressed glitter palette that I have. I got this a while ago from this brand called Jolie somewhere online, and I like using these pressed glitters because they're not messy. I mean, they're messy, but not as messy as like regular glitter. I'm gonna use a combination of these two right here to give me a nice gold, you know, golden look. I'm gonna start with the bright one and then I'm just gonna press that into my eyelid. And I'm gonna add some of the other one. I'm just gonna press that onto my eyelid like this. I'm going back into Jackie's palette. I'm going to go back into Credit and just bring that in a little bit and just blend it in with the glitter. Alright, so I'm going to use some black eyeliner. I love this eyeliner from the Balm. It is so good. Oh my gosh. It's called the Swing Eyeliner. So, probably my favorite at the moment. I'm just going to leave the eyeliner like this because most of the time they don't really have like wings, I noticed. It's usually just like eyeliner and then lashes. I'm just putting a little bit of mascara on, but I'm gonna throw some false lashes on for sure, because lashes are definitely like major key in this type of look. Like, girl, I'm gonna throw on these AliExpress lashes. These are the E06 25mm lashes. They're super long. If you have like bigger eyes like me, then definitely try them out. If you have smaller eyes, then they might not work for you, so don't come for me, okay? While that dries, I'm gonna be listening to some Summer Walker. I'm loving her new album, so yeah. I love this new EOS update where you can see the lyrics, because girl, I butcher every song's lyrics, so this is perfect for me. Like, I'm gonna take some of this black eyeliner while this is drying. I'm gonna go over the lash band to make sure it is black, because I've used this lash a couple times and it has like some glue on there. So I just took off some of the glitter that was left on my face. I'm gonna go in with this Tatcha Primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And I'm just gonna put some of that on my face. I haven't used this in a while. Like, oh my gosh, that was way too much. I haven't used this in like months. Clearly I forgot how much I'm supposed to put on my face, but I figured I should use it because it's kind of, you know, pricey to just have sitting around and, you know, expiring on me. Since I want to do a full coverage look, I'm gonna do 2 concealers. I'm gonna put some under my makeup. This is from Marc Jacobs, and I'm just gonna put this under, and I'm also gonna put some over my foundation. This is just to have extra coverage, you know, so we could be extra snatched. I'm gonna just blend this in. So today I'm using 2 foundations. I wanted to mix the Covergirl True Blend with the Maybelline 24 Hour. Both full coverage drugstore foundations. I wanted a lot of coverage, and I figured I would mix my 2 favorite drugstore foundations. This sponge is from Sonia Kashuk. You can get it at Target. Really affordable, and it's really good. I'm taking a smaller sponge to do my forehead because it's such a small space. I have such a small forehead right now because of this wig. Ew. So for my second concealer, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm going to use the shade Caramel today. Ooh, this is really, really light. I don't know if I want it to be this light. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll just not do this. I don't know. I keep doing it though. It keeps happening. I wanted it to be a little lighter today, like brighter. I haven't done a bright under eye in a while. Like, I never really do too bright of an under eye, but I just feel like doing that today because I felt like that was like the housewife makeup look. Anyways, we're just gonna do that. I'm taking some of Cocoa, which is the darker shade, and I'm gonna do a little bit of contour so we can get, you know, snatched. We're trying to be snatched out here, girl. Just a little bit on my forehead. I don't even do my nose because disasters can happen, okay? And then we're gonna blend that in. I'm using the other side of the sponge where I have my foundation to blend the edges of this concealer. For setting powder, I'm going to use Fenty's Cashew Powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes with this powder. I'm taking some more of that powder. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to put some of this powder down here to just carve this out. Alright, so today I'm using the Hoola Beauty Alright, so today I'm going to use the Toasted Bronzer from Benefir to just bronze up my face. Ooh, I forgot how dark this bronzer was, y'all. Okay. It's a really nice bronzer. If you are a deeper skin tone, try it out. It's really deep and it looks really nice. Like, it's not red, it's like neutral, but it's deep, so I love that. So right now I'm going to do my bottom lash line. I'm going to take the color Edges and I'm going to smoke it out in the bottom. I'm going to take a small brush. I'm going to use Edges and I'm going to smoke that out down here. I'm taking Credit and I'm bringing that a little bit closer up in my lash line. And then I'm going to take a black eyeliner. And then I'm going to take this MAC mascara again and just do my lashes. I barely have any bottom lashes, y'all, so I really hate when I forget to put them on. Alright, so for my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Zam, which is this shade right here in the palette, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. Just to make it pop. I'm going to take a big powder brush, and then I'm going to use the Benefir Hello Flawless Powder, and I'm just going to blend everything on my cheeks together. I'm going to use Coco Naughty from Fenty to contour my nose. I like using this color because it's not as deep. I'm going to use this blush from Mercier. Purple and gold are just like royalty colors and they look good together, so I think this is a nice blush color for this look. For highlight, I'm going to use some of this Cover FX highlight. This is a liquid highlighter. And I'm going to put some on my finger and just dab it on my cheek. And put it exactly where I want my highlight to go. And then I'm going to use this highlighter from Mercier called Addiction. I actually just got sent another one of these highlighters, so I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. I actually have two highlighters from them I'm going to give away. I have this one called Addiction and I have another one called, I think it's Iridescent or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just give those two away because I have both of them already. The other shade is lighter, so if you are a lighter skin tone, definitely it'll be better for you. But if you are like my complexion, you can definitely use it if you are feeling extra, or you can use it for eyeshadow also. So it's definitely usable. And it's a beautiful color, and it, you know, yeah, they both are beautiful colors, but this one is better for highlighting like a cheekbone on my complexion. Anyways, if you want to enter, just comment below. I'm gonna leave a comment and then just comment under that comment, and I'm gonna send out the packages in like maybe like a week or two. We're gonna do my nose, and I'm gonna just put a little bit here. That turned into a lot. This highlighter is just popping, like there's no such thing as a little bit. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever pencil in Limitless Brown, and I'm going to line my lips. Then I'm going to take this Morphe lipstick in the color Honey. Yeah, Honey. Honey, honey. I always love to do gloss, so I'm definitely going to do a lip gloss today. I'm just going to do the Fenty Gloss Balm. Oh my gosh, y'all. I cannot wait for these new Fenty glosses. Ugh. So I do have to spray my face with this setting spray just because my face is powdery right now. So to make everything melt together, we're going to spray it. Spray check. You always want to check your sprays because you never know like what malfunctions could be going on, okay? the last thing you want to do is spray out a malfunctioned setting spray. Girl, I've been there. It was a disaster, okay? I never really get mad, like never really, but that day I was mad. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I love it. I think it's perfect for fall. It's so glam, the glitter, ugh, the gold. Girl, take yourself on a date, okay honey? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.